So children, you ever notice whatever I say you might be thinking, oh sir is just speaking only. I'm not speaking children. I am really not speaking only. If you are really alert mode, then you are the future planner. Otherwise, nobody is going to help you. Nobody is going to help you. You are class 5th student. You have knowledge what to do or what not to do. So you have to do help. And don't depend upon mother. Don't depend upon father. And don't depend upon teacher. My teacher said homework complete, so I complete the homework. No, this is your responsibility. My mother said better read, so I read. No, what mother will say? You don't know. Study is important for you. You don't know. Come timely, read timely. Do you know, if you don't study, the time will come for the boy. He will take the vegetable and cry. Take potato, take tomato. Do you want to do that?
No, sir.
No. Nobody wants to do. Nobody wants to do. So don't wait for the sir. Sir will tell homework complete. I complete. Why? Why sir will tell? No one teaches nowadays in mood of teaching. If you don't try, you are ready. Sir, I am ready. Teacher ready. Teacher will teach you properly. If you don't, so like I am talking about Mr. What's your name? Mr. Umang. Sometimes Umang say, Umang stand up. What is your father's name? What is your father? Businessman, serviceman? Businessman. Okay, Mr. Umang father is a businessman. But honestly, I want to tell, his father never wants to make him business or however I don't know. But normally everybody reading for getting job. You also want to get job. She also wants to get job. So try to read like that. You want to get job. This is totally your hand. Your hand. Sometimes you tell, sir, please come, sir. Sir, what for? Sir came here for comedy point of view. Sir teach and try to convince in English. Sir has one target. One student are my student. One students are the best student. One students are important for our country. You don't see at the during assembly time on the stage I tell different story. What do you think? I come here for just only enjoying, for just dancing? No, wrong thinking. All student has to become all-rounder. You check how I dance. I teach brother 10th class, 9th class, 12th class. So you guess my teacher teach 12th class and very sincere. 5th class, very comedy. What is the reason? Because you all are a very small kid. You need learning. Okay, you need learning. When I joy, when I laugh, then automatic your mind become positive thinking. So never think I am coming for jolly mood. I always try to motivate you. I say sometime he, what's your name? Please sit down, Uma. Summer excitement, summer passion, summer speaking a skill. I really feel that he will become one day something. It's common sense because his activity shows. When Mahatma Buddha took birth in his childish, it was just his tendency was towards to become a son. महात्मा गांधी जब जन्म लिए थे ना उसी समय ये पता लग गया था कि वो संत बनने वाले हैं. तो किसी भी बच्चे को देखकर मैं बता सकता हूँ कि वो क्या बनना चाहता है. प्लीज सिट डाउन और प्लीज व्हाट्स योर नेम? मिस्टर Yuvan, I have seen daily he is in competitive mode. Try to do children, especially girl I'm talking. Do you know when Ram Raj was there, when Krishna Raj was there, That time also girls were not given opportunity. उस समय भी लड़कियों को इतना इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिला था जितना अब मिल रहा है. इसलिए आप अपने को मजबूत बनाइए और दिखाइए कि that you are more less than anybody else. Please, what's your name? You want first you want what's your father? Businessman, serviceman? Businessman. What do you want to become? आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? See, army office. Every children has only one target to get job. And how can this be possible? It can be possible by the help of your labor. So you call me intentionally, please. Please sir, come sir. Don't think I am a joking point of view. You always say, sir, please give me some training, sir. Give me that training. Give me sir that training. I always say, Suresh sir comes and in assembly he is very comedy mood. But when he goes to a stage, then he is a very sincere mood. What are the reason? In class of the junior, he is a very comedy mood. When he goes to the senior class, in a very sincere mood. Whenever students are sincere, I ask sincere question. When any students are in a junior mood, then junior questions. What is the technique? The main technique that all students become all-rounder. This is my main purpose. Please, what's your name? Aditi Mishra. Aditi, what is your purpose to come here? For learning or for passing the time? For learning? Of course learning. Every students are coming for learning purpose. Do you come to school for dancing? Dancing? No. Do you come to school for passing the time? No. My dear, this is the age you can do everything. Do you see Dance India dance? Do you see drama? You go and see. Small girls are making their future. So this is your stage to make your future. Understood? So try. What's your name, please? Thank you. Priya. Very good. What is your future planning? She wants to become a TA, majestic magistrate. Very good. High thinking. And Gandhi ji was saying we should have simple living, high thinking. Your living style should become simple, but thinking should be very smart. Okay? Don't ever demonize. Never. Thank you so much. For today, it's enough. Okay?